back to yet another Dreamstyle Chaos vlogs. Today's vlog is more like a chaotic vlog because I have so much to do on my plate and there's so much mess and chaos in my life in general, mostly created by me because I'm completely Atmanirbhar like that. But it's so much fun to look at the chaos and feel the pain and then play the victim card. It's tried and tested, just saying. But yes, with that being said, as you can see, today's vibe is super chirpy and happy, and I hope I can send my happy positive vibes through the screen. Yeah, that's creepy. Anyways, today's vlog I will be showcasing my productive side. Yes, there is one somewhere. Okay, fine, this is really exciting. So it's around 11ish something right now. I woke up at 9:30, and the first productivity tip is to begin your day with something that you don't like. Usually for me it's exercise, but something that I hate even more than exercise is editing. So that's what I'm doing today. I just got done with my shower and everything, and I'm currently editing, and I am so happy about this video. It's very funny, it's very me. I mean, if you have an IQ or a humor of a 10-year-old, you will find it funny as well. So that's my vlogging situation, and I've got to do some final edits. 11:30, I'm gonna finish this up, and then I obviously love to overcome it. Do not do that. I promised my friend to help her out with something, so I'm gonna do that for half an hour. So yeah, number 2 tip for you is to make a to-do list. Even if you don't like to do the whole physical thing, you can always make a to-do list mentally, whatever works for you. And task 1 is complete. Yes. Well, it's time for tip number 3. It's so important to clean your house, especially when you're feeling overwhelmed. It's very therapeutic if you look at it that way, and I'm so sorry for the background noises. We're just gonna roll with it. But yeah, I am literally about to put like a 10-minute timer, and I'm gonna clean as much as I can.
A few moments later.
Okay, behind the scenes struggle. I wanted to do a pride makeup, and I was really excited, and I was playing with glitter and everything, but I realized I don't have the bright matte colors. Like, I don't have a matte yellow. Surprisingly, I don't have a bright neon orangish enough. What I have is more red tone. I was trying to play with the glitters that I had, but it just was not working, and today is the 30th of June anyways. So I think I'll have to drop it, and I'm so sad. Never have I ever failed to do a makeup look that I've decided in my mind. Like, I took some Pinterest inspirations, I was trying to play around. Now at least I know next time when I'm buying makeup what I need in my collection, because when you see my collection it's like, wow, a lot of makeup, but when I sit down and experiment with it, it's like, damn it, I don't have the basic essentials. So I saw Nikki Tutorial's Pride look as well, and she used the Morphe colorful palette. I don't know which one that is. I'll leave the name in the description. I think once everything settles down, I'll save up some money and I would definitely buy that Morphe palette because that literally had everything. But yeah, anyway, I wanted to click some pictures with my fringes, so I'm gonna wash this off, do some regular makeup, and yes, I'll have to wash my base as well, which I was kind of proud of, but like, yeah, fine. How my setup looks like. I have my ring light, I have my tripod, and I have my phone which I've attached to a tripod. Now I have 2 options for wall. I'm gonna go with this one because I've clicked pictures on this. I'm gonna angle this in a frame that I get this wall. Now it's time to show you my makeup, which you can't see with the lighting, and ta-da! Oh my god, I look so freaking cute. Ooh, I'm sweating, so I'm gonna turn on the fan, stop vlogging, and oh yes, I also have this Bluetooth remote, and you can find links to the remote and to the phone holder on my Amazon store. On my Amazon store. I will leave the link to which in the description, and let's get started. It's getting very hot. I am sweating like a pig right now, and yes, there is still a little bit of glitter on my face because that's what happens once you use glitter, it's there on your face and your hair and your clothes for eternity. So we just gotta roll with it. So this was the photo I was trying to recreate. I mean, this is so pretty. I don't know the creator's name, but I got this on Pinterest. And then there was this one. Both of these are so pretty. So I have a lot of pictures to choose from. That's always good. I mean, yes, queen, I was trying. And yes, I hope there is something good in here. I wanted to actually click 2 pictures for Instagram. One was supposed to be the pride look and the other one was supposed to be this fringe wala look. Now I'm thinking, what else can I do? Since I have the makeup on, I can change the eye and the lip and put the fringes aside. Oh god, they don't help your sweaty situation. And I can use those fake flowers, and I don't know, you know what, I will try. Hey people, it's about 4:20-ish something right now, and I clicked 2 pictures for the gram. First one, I'm pretty sure I have something good. Second one, I'm not sure because I didn't click that many, because the thing is, I wanted to click my pictures in the portrait mode, because with the flower and makeup, everything, I think that would have looked good. But in iPhone 8 Plus, the portrait mode is for the back camera and not the front, and because of that, I was not able to fit in frame properly. There were 2-3 beautiful pictures, but मेरा आधा शक्ल आया है, आधा नहीं आया, मतलब struggle. And I've never really uploaded anything editorialist like just flowers in my eye. Like ऐसे कुछ हरकतें मैंने कभी की नहीं है. So I'm not sure how I feel about the second shoot, but anyways, it's 4:20 like I said. I have to work out at around 6:30, maybe 7, but I have to work out. Right now, I gotta do a different kind of workout, and that is, ta-da! Cleaning. Like, there is so much mess in my room. Amen. You guys, the workout just got done. I am kind of breathless. It was worth it, because at least now when I'm sleeping at night, I know I did something, or I took that one step to reach to my ultimate goal, whenever I reach, that is. So yes, it's very, very important to get in some workout, even if you don't have 45 minutes, if you don't have an hour, which honestly, really that's an excuse you want to use during this pandemic and this quarantine. Like, you should come up with better excuses. But yeah, I'm gonna wipe it off because it's going in my eye, and it's time for having some lunch. And you guys, it's the last update into this vlog, and I think this is an important one because this is about relaxation. And I feel now when I'm relaxing or watching Netflix or doing something that I enjoy, I don't have that guilt trip of, oh, you know, instead I should be doing this or that, because literally I woke up starting with the least favorite thing, that is editing. Then I did something I loved, that is, you know, clicking pictures, doing the whole Instagram shoot and makeup, and it is very therapeutic to me. You can do whatever you find therapeutic. And now after dinner and everything, I am here and I have earned this Netflix. I feel I just got done watching The Order season 2, and I'm currently watching Unbreakable Kimmy, and it's supposed to be funny, and I'm kind of getting the hang of it. I will indulge into this, but I really want to celebrate today and remember that yes, I had a good day, because you know, the whole month of May I was only journaling my negative thoughts, and I don't want my journal to only be something that I reach out to when I'm feeling anxious or sad. I want it to be my happy space. I want it to be a safe space where I can share my good and bad. I will actually journal a little bit, and then I'll watch some Netflix. well, as much as I love my screen time on your devices, it's time to leave. But before that, you have to give me a round of applause because I finished today's vlog on the very day. Who am I? Thank you. But yeah, if you're OG, you know I always struggle with finishing my vlog on the same day, but not today. And yes, with that, it was a lovely vlogging today. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, you know the drill. Give this video a big thumbs up. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would really mean the world to me. I'm trying and uploading twice a week. And I will see you super soon. You can also follow me on my social media, the links to which will be in the description. I will see you super soon. Till then, take care. Goodbye.